Mississippi follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula for wage garnishment. Mississippi is generally a creditor-accessible state for enforcement, with modest exemptions and federal standard garnishment limits. Here is the complete guide. The Mississippi garnishment limit, the lesser of 25% of disposable earnings per pay period, or the amount by which disposable earnings exceed 30 times the federal minimum wage. Mississippi does not impose a more restrictive state cap. Mississippi's minimum wage. Mississippi has no state minimum wage law. The federal minimum wage applies. The 30 times calculation uses the federal minimum wage. Disposable earnings in Mississippi. Gross wages minus legally required deductions, federal income tax, Social Security, Medicare. Mississippi does not have a state income tax on wages, which affects the disposable earnings calculation. There is no state tax deduction to reduce gross wages. No Mississippi state income tax means that disposable earnings in Mississippi may be slightly higher than in states with income taxes, potentially making the 25% formula the operative cap more often. Mississippi garnishment procedure. After obtaining a judgment, the creditor serves a writ of garnishment on the employer. The employer must answer within 30 days and begin withholding. Mississippi provides for continuing garnishments. Mississippi does not recognize tenancy by the entirety and has no significant homestead exemption by dollar amount. Combined with the federal standard wage garnishment limits, Mississippi is a relatively productive enforcement environment for judgment creditors. Exempt income, Social Security, unemployment, workers' compensation, disability benefits, and retirement income from qualified plans are generally exempt from garnishment in Mississippi. People Locator Skip Tracing provides Mississippi employer identification for wage garnishment proceedings. Results within 24 hours or less. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.